Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue and set up a conditional formatting in our Excel table. So let's get started. The first thing what we will adjust is the priority column. So let's select column, Control and spacebar. And what we want is a different color for different priority status. So let's go to conditional formatting and we start with high priority. So highlight cell rules equal to, and I want when there is a value high, so let's put high, I want it to be light red, which is the default preset. So you can see already is red. Confirm. With the same technique, we will do low priority. So again, make sure you have your column selected, then conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, equal to, and this time we're going for low, but we need to change the presets. So instead of light red, I want green filled with dark green text. Select and press OK, and you can see it's already green. Perfect. Now we need to do the same for medium priority. So let's do conditional formatting again, but this time we want to go to manage rules. You can see the previously created rules already here. So the easiest way to proceed right now is to click on, for example, low priority and duplicate. Now I have additional row with duplicate conditional formatting, so I need to change it. So double click, and in here I need to change the word low. So instead of low, we put medium and go to format. And in our case, I want to have the background color light orange and the font dark orange. Click OK, click OK. We can do some adjustments. So we have low, medium, high, and OK, confirm, and that's it. That's our first column ready. Next, we're going to focus on due date column. In here, I want to highlight the date in case that they are matching today's date. First, I'm going to change the date here. So today is 7/11, and I want to see if is my conditional formatting working. Now we can again press Ctrl and spacebar to select our column, and we go to conditional formatting, new rule. And this time we use formula to determine which cells to format. Let's write the formula. So very important, right now I have selected or I have in selection the cell E9. So I need to go and select again E9. Then I want to adjust the dollar symbols. So press F4 twice, and we only want to fix columns and not the rows. So rows are empty. And then I can write equals today, open bracket, close bracket, and we need to change the formatting. So what will happen? We just want to change the color of the text to dark red. Okay, and it's working. As you can see, today is 7/11, and now we have it in red. If I change this date and put 7/11, press enter, it automatically changes. Okay. Next, I want to change the column status and to do a different formatting for in progress and different for completed tasks. So let's select the column, Control spacebar, and we can go conditional formatting, new rule. Here we want to format based on our values. So the cell value is equal to, and we want to change the color of the text when there is a text in progress. And we want to change it to dark orange, this one. Okay, and it's working. So you can see in progress they have a different color. Let's do a completed as well. So again, select a whole column status, Now I can go again to conditional formatting, manage rules, and in this case, again, I want to do it a little bit quicker. So let's just duplicate this one and change the word to completed. Completed. And let's adjust the color so it is green, dark green actually. Okay, and it's working. And the last adjustments we will do, I want to change the days when there is a negative value, so it is highlighted by red color. So let's first change the date so we have some examples. So you can see it's -1. Now we can do the formatting. So we again control spacebar to select the column days. And now we can go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and we select less than, and in here less than 0 will be with red color. And that's it. That's our conditional formatting. Now we set up everything, so we can add a new row. And as you can see, everything is perfectly working for us. No issue at all, because we are in Excel table, so every time we add a new row, everything gets copied to the next one. And that's really one of the biggest advantages of our Excel table, just saving so much time in a process. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you find it useful again, and until next week. Bye bye.